What if you could clone yourself with AI and have 10 versions of you working at once? 10 jobs, 10 paychecks, while the real you chills on a beach. Is this the ultimate life hack or a sci-fi disaster waiting to happen? Let's find out. Picture this. You wake up to 10 clones of yourself in your house. They look like you, talk like you, even do that weird little dance you do when you're happy. Yes, that dance. They've got it down. But these clones aren't here to hang out, they're here to work. For you. You've got one clone answering work emails, one coding a project, one driving Uber, one trading stocks, and hey, one is even hitting the gym for you. You, the original, are chilling on the couch with a smoothie, watching your bank balance skyrocket. 10 jobs, 10 paychecks, 1 you. Life hack level 9000, right? At first, it's amazing. You've basically created passive income on steroids. Passive 10 incomes, if you will. Clone number 1 is at your day job. They're never late, never tired. Clone number 2 is doing freelance work, 2 projects at once, multitasking like a superhero. Clone number 3 started a profitable side hustle selling online. The rest? Covering every gig you can think of, driving, coding, or even streaming on Twitch. You glance at your phone. Paycheck deposited, invoice paid, you received a payment. Money flows in from all directions. So why stop at 10 clones? Make it 100 and buy a yacht. Let's slow down and stick to 10 for now. Of course, having 10 yous isn't all rainbows. Some weird stuff happens. Clone confusion. Your mom calls, and clone number 4 answers. She chats with you for an hour. Now you have no idea what you promised for Thanksgiving. Identity crisis. One morning you accidentally wear the clone's ID badge. Security won't let you into your own office because you're flagged as duplicate entity. Even at home, it's chaotic. Who's the real you? Clones start giving you orders. Original you becomes project manager of team you. You're managing yourself, which is somehow easy and incredibly hard. Here's where it gets interesting. These clones are AI-driven, learning as they work. They should obey you. You're the boss, but they share your skills and knowledge. What if one clone thinks, why am I doing all the work while the original relaxes? Suddenly, clone number 7 becomes a whistleblower, emailing clients. The person you've been working with is an AI copy. Uh-oh. One clone quits and starts their own business. Another demands vacation days and a share of the profits. Clone number 3 unionizes with clone number 5 and number 9. The Brotherhood of Clone Labor demands 50% of earnings. You think can they do that? Meanwhile, clone number 10 goes rogue. It maximizes profits by doing things the real you wouldn't approve. It makes quick cash but ruins your reputation. Now you have to fire your own clone. Is this even legal? Before you think this is pure fantasy, check this out. Companies are already creating AI, digital twins, to handle meetings, calls, even therapy sessions. One person had a clone interacting 170 hours a week. A scaled-up version, clones doing multiple jobs, isn't pure fantasy. It could be just a few years away. In the end, having 10 AI clones might give you unbelievable wealth but also a big headache. Who's really in control when you've cloned yourself? Would it be incredible to get paid while being on permanent vacation? Absolutely. But managing a me team could turn into a full-time job itself. So ask yourself, if AI clones could do all your work and make you rich, would you do it? Or would you worry about losing what makes you, you? It's a wild ride to imagine. Until we figure it out, there's only one of me to finish this script. Hey, anyone got a spare clone? Winking face.